What happens to your brain when you're anxious? Anxiety isn't just feeling worried. It's a full-body alarm system triggered by your brain, especially the amygdala, the part that scans for danger like a security guard on high alert. When your brain thinks something's wrong, even if it's just an exam or a text left on read, the amygdala hits the panic button. It signals the hypothalamus, which releases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These chemicals prepare your body to fight, flee, or freeze. Your heart races, breathing speeds up, muscles tense. Your brain focuses on survival, not logic. At the same time, your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for reasoning and decision-making, starts to shut down. That's why anxious thoughts spiral, and it's hard to just calm down. But here's the good news. The brain can be trained. Deep breathing, mindfulness, and even talking to a therapist can calm the amygdala and bring the prefrontal cortex back online. Anxiety is your brain trying to protect you, but it doesn't always get it right. When you understand what's happening inside, you can take back control, one breath at a time. Try the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. This involves using your senses to bring you back to the present moment. Look around and name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This method helps to interrupt anxious thoughts and refocus your mind.